Zombie apocalypse.
What if you could carry your entire 4 terabytes of data in your pocket and connect all your devices to your MacBook at the same time? Meet TurboHub. With up to 4 terabytes of external expansion, you can back up and access all your data and media files, programs, and games from anywhere. So, it's an SSD storage device? Yes, but not only. Your all-in-one SSD storage hub ensures 950 megabytes per second blazing speed data transfers from any of your devices. So it's a fast SSD. Even better, TurboHub brings back all the missing connectivity of your MacBook. It increases the number of ports on your laptop instantly, adding HDMI, USB 3.1, Thunderbolt 3, USB-C ports, SD card reader, and Ethernet connector. Forget all your annoying dongles. At times when you need a faster, way faster internet connection to play video games or stream 4K videos or simply keep your privacy, TurboHub has your back. Combining speed, portability, and design, it's the ultimate device you are looking for. Need an additional screen? Or 2? Connect them to your TurboHub and boost your productivity. Link your TurboHub to any laptop, tablet, smartphone, or other device and enjoy the lightning-fast connectivity. Increased capacity, greater speed, more flexibility. Get your TurboHub.
play the games you want, wherever you are, however you like. With the Nintendo Switch system, you can play on your TV or game on the go. It's your call. It's easy to share the fun. To play together, simply hand over one of your Joy-Con controllers. They come in a variety of colors that really pop. Family members and roommates can be added as users, so they can each set off on their own gaming journey. Plus, parental controls are available as needed, along with the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls mobile app. It's a truly versatile system, offering a handy touchscreen, numerous ways to play, and the ability to share your favorite gaming moments on your social media channels. But as we all know, a system is only as great as its games. Get cozy with the ones you love. Expand your horizons. And before long, you'll feel right at home. Now let's have some fun. Nintendo Switch. And if you're dedicated to handheld play, well, so is the sleek, lightweight Nintendo Switch Lite system.